Yeah,
What is it?
for learning another language.
Learning language?
Yeah. Do you all want? Yeah.
We should learn it from the basic level.
Yeah.
Welcome to this rainy day mommy sea star. Can you hear that sound? It's like out of nowhere, it's just pouring rain. So our rainy day schedule is to make tortillas. Now our tortillas always turn out like fat because I still don't have a tortilla press. So we made an invention, heart-shaped cakes. And so you can make those with us today. I've already started making them. This is masa harina mixed with flour and salt. And I put a little more salt than usual this time. And they're frying in avocado oil, which is supposed to be good for you when it's at high temperatures. And it doesn't smoke very much either. I love that rain sound. So, yeah, these are little, I don't know what to call them. I call them little cakes. And there's nothing like sweet in them, but they taste yummy. And I'm gonna have coffee too. So we'll have these little heart-shaped cakes and listen to the rain. Amy's doing the dough, the masa dough. What are you doing? We just need some comfort food today. We were outside and we were playing and it was fun. And we were looking at bees and everything, and then it just started to rain right down on us. So Amy said, let's make some, we call them tortillas, but they're not tortillas anymore. They're little heart cakes. I recently got into learning about Depression era glass. This glass is actually from the Depression era. Back in those days, of course, people couldn't afford much of anything, and these glasses and dishes were oftentimes the only beautiful household item that they had in their homes. And so I like them. So I always put my creations, edible creations, on this dish. Look at these yummy cakes. Good job. It's really loud. Oh my goodness. Wow. I wasn't expecting it to rain at all today. Look at this rain. That's a lot. Well, of course, I want to really see it out here. What storm is this? Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh! There's thunder and everything! I've lived here 10 years and this is the hardest I've ever seen it rain. Oh. Ah! My hand is getting freezing. Goodness, well, it's a good thing we have our cakes, huh? Would you like some? Rain cakes. They have been given a new name. The rain cakes. Delicious. See? The lightning storm is right above us. You can tell because the flash happens and the thunder happens right after. Let's see if we can catch one more flash. There it is. There's the thunder. And there we go. The storm is right over our house. These are...
Pancakes.
That's right.
Whoa,
The little girls at the neighbor's house run outside the same time I did. So I think I'll bring them some raincoats. It was a little scary because there was lightning and thunder. But I brought upstairs to the neighbors across the street. Yeah. That was fun. Whew, gotta catch my breath. Cheers. Now I filled in all the pen and we've got a flash flood warning and it's just crazy. I'm gonna add some watercolors to this now. Beautiful. The watercolors are very different, aren't they? Nice. This was my plan all along, to put the black watercolors on the shiny parts of the cat. The black cat.
Wow, nice collection.
Wow.
Nice bottle for going next.
Let's make it rain for real on this picture.
No.
How much water does it take? There it goes. Well, that was quite a day, wasn't it? It sure rained a lot. I can't help it. I couldn't help it. It rained like cats and dogs. That was a fun day. It was a bit crazy, but
Hope you guys had fun with us. Have a good evening or a good day wherever you are. God bless you.